Anisha, what are you doing?
I'm eating honey, which is so delicious.
Do you know where do we get this honey?
Yes, I know we get this honey from honeybees.
Do you know it is the mixture of nectar from flowers and saliva of the bees?
Yeah.
Do you also know there are castes of bees in the beehive which perform various functions like queen bee, worker bee, and male drone?
Brother, what are you saying? I'm not getting anything.
You don't know that. Don't worry. Let's go to the virtual reality of the honeybees.
Hello everyone, I'm Queen Bee.
Hello everyone, I'm Worker.
Hello everyone, I am Drone.
Hello everyone, I'm the Nurse Bee.
Hello everyone, I'm Scavenger Bee.
Hello everyone, I'm Forager Bee.
Hello everyone, we are intruders.
Get aside, Queen Bee is coming. Give her away. It's okay. Hello everyone, I'm Queen Bee. My body size is much larger than other castes of bees of the colony. I'm the mother of the colony. The Queen Bee plays a pivotal role in the hive because she's the only female that have fully developed ovaries. The queen's two main functions is to produce chemical scents that help in regulating the unity of the colony and to lay lots of eggs. I can lay up to 2000 eggs every day of each season and lays both fertilized eggs and unfertilized eggs. Other queens and worker emerges from fertilized eggs, whereas drone came out from unfertilized eggs. I have to do nothing. We only eat proteinaceous food and often do not defend the colony. After all, we are queens.
Good morning everyone, I am male Drone. I am haploid and fertilized male. I am larger in size and quite noisy than the workers. No, not that much noisy. I don't have any kind of strength. And my main role is to mate with queen and stay in beehive to eat and sleep. Since my role is in the breeding season, when the breeding season is over, they throw me out of the colony. This world is such a selfish place.
Hello everyone, I'm Worker Bee. I'm deployed and sterile female. I'm the smallest in size among the bee colony. I'm the most active and responsible member of bee caste. All the responsibilities in bee colony is in our shoulders. For indoor and outdoor course, we provided various organs such as hypopharyngeal gland, wax gland, pollen basket, and etc. We live for 3 to 12 months and our functions were changed by our age. During the first half of our life, we engage into indoor duties such as scavenging, cleaning, and guard duties. During the second half of our life, we go for outdoor duties such as scout bees and forager bees. We divide it into 3 major age groups such scavenger bee, nurse bee, and forager bee. This is our 3 major age groups.
Hello everyone, I am Scavenger. For the first 3 days, each worker bee acts as a scavenger. Our work is on cleaning the walls and empty cells of the society for the reuse. Oh, it's time for dusting.
Hello everyone, I'm the Nurse Bee. From the 4th day onwards, every worker bee has to feed the whole brood like a foster mother with a mixture of honey and pollen. By the 7th day onwards, our hypopharyngeal glands get developed and we start producing the royal jelly, which is then fed to the queen bee and the future queen bees.
We are hungry, we are hungry, we are hungry, we are hungry.
Wait, they're always hungry. I'm coming. We also perform the guard duties and defend our colony from intruders. We kill the intruders by stinging them but also get died with the loss of our sting. Oh my god, I think the intruders have came. I must go.
Oh, one more word.
Hello everyone, I am Forager Bee, also known as field bee. We collect new sources from the nectar such as scout bees. We collect nectar like pollen and propolis. changes into honey in their crop. Thank you.